How to make a living out of growing vegetables for farmers markets. Growing and selling vegetables can be very profitable and turn into a full-time business. If you have a garden with an overabundance of vegetables, you can make some extra cash by selling your vegetables at a farmer's market. Farmers markets are available for those wanting to sell large amounts of vegetables to the public. In order to make a living out of growing vegetables, you must enjoy gardening, have a lot of spare time, be a good planner, and enjoy interacting with people. Things you will need: vegetable seeds, table, baskets, chair, cash box, cash, signs, misting bottle. Plant a garden large enough to grow an abundance of vegetables to sell. Keep your garden well maintained and refrain from using harmful pesticides if you decide to grow organic vegetables. Contact your local farmers market once your garden starts producing. Find out how much it costs to rent a booth, what the setup times are, and the operating rules. Pick your fully grown vegetables in the morning and thoroughly wash them before taking them to the farmers market. Make a large, bold sign stating the price of your vegetables and information about how they were grown. Set up your table in the shade at the farmer's market, and arrange the vegetables appealingly on the table or in baskets. Place the signs close to the vegetables and have your cash box always stocked with some bills and change. Price your vegetables a little higher than the grocery stores, to make a decent profit. Keep your booth clean and stocked throughout the day, and be friendly and outgoing to attract repeat customers. This is what will cause you to earn the most money. Occasionally spray your vegetables with water from a misting bottle to prevent them from wilting, and don't sell rotten vegetables. Tell your family, friends and neighbors about how you are selling your vegetables, to get more customers. Market your business by making a website, making signs and placing ads in newspapers. Keep track of the number of every vegetable you sell, every day, to prevent overpicking and waste. Sell your vegetables every day that the farmer's market is open, and keep your garden well maintained.